Welcome back to the channel. You new subscribers, excellent. Leave the comments, the thumbs, all that. Oh, I got a great one for you. Check this out. In one of my past lives, I lived in Texas and had to learn, well, how to play Texas Hold'em. uh, my manager, director at the time, Salvador, right, in the garage, cigars, the whole bit, playing Texas Hold'em. All right. So anyway, bear with me. Well, speed up just a little bit, but even if you have never played cards or don't like cards, give me 5 minutes and watch the madness. All right. There you go. Ooh.
Call. I keep on. I call.
Check.
Now it was well, I had to do a pause. That was a little show on the speed of the thing, right? So it's going to go quite fast, but my goal is I'm going to beat this computer thing in a few hands just by outbidding them, right? That's going to be the interesting thing, right? So let's do it. Give it a go.
Bet.
Fold.
Call. Raise.
I will pop in every once in a while if I need to.
No problem.
Check it
Raise.
out.
Fold. I keep on. Bet. Fold.
That was a nice chunk of change. Nice.
Raise.
I fold.
I call. Check. Hey, I risk. Call. Okay. I'm betting. Call. Bet. Raise. All in.
Bang, one down.
Call.
There you
I'm
go.
raising.
I'm calling.
Again,
Call.
raise. Watch this.
I'm checking. I bet.
I keep on.
I have enough cash, it doesn't matter.
Bet. Raise.
Okay. Raise.
Call. Raise.
I call.
I risk everything. I bet.
Call.
Boom. I lost a little. It's all right.
Call.
Pair of
Raise.
three. Yeah, 3 to 4.
Call.
Raise. Do it again.
Bet.
Right. Almost got this one.
Call.
But again,
I
do it
bet.
early and you lose. He got
Call.
this one good. I went in with a straight.
Raise.
Watch this. He gets me good.
Call.
Yeah.
Bet.
Call.
Call. Great.
Bullshit.
Yeah. Bullshit, he says. The computer said that, wasn't me. Okay. Now let's knuckle down. Do some stuff.
Raise.
Raise
Easy.
right away.
Call.
Check.
Check.
No.
I'm betting.
Betting. Yep. Raise.
I keep on.
Keep going. Yep.
Call.
Check.
Do it.
Check.
Yep.
Bet.
There it is.
I'm
Raise.
calling.
I keep on.
Keep on. There you go.
I'm checking.
Bet. I'm raising.
Ooh, nice raise.
All in.
25. Oh,
Raise.
all in. Look at that.
All in.
There we go.
I'm calling. Right.
Boom. There we go. Look at that. Nice. That was a good chunk of change. Now watch this
Call.
guy. It's almost
Raise.
over. Yeah,
call.
okay. Fold.
check.
Fold. Watch. All right, come on.
Hey, I risk. Call. Check.
Fold.
Bet. I'm raising.
Ooh, nice.
Raise. Difficult. Call. Bet. I'm raising. I'm calling. Damn.
Nice. Look at that. There you go.
Raise. Fold. I keep on. Raise. Fold.
See,
Raise.
he has
Ladies
to
and
play
gentlemen,
some.
I'm all in.
Look at that. Nice. Do it.
I'm raising.
Eliminated. There you go. And that's how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh. Hey, thanks for popping in and visiting. I'm getting a nice thing of comments. Thank you, new subscribers. Very good. I don't give out names, but very nice, very nice. Thank you. Unless you want me to. Have a great day. Later.